Hey guys, so in this video I'll be going over how I built a roofing AI agent that brings in 100k per month in roofing replacement jobs for the roofers that we work with. I'll be going in details how we actually break down this system bit by bit to generate results for them, and it all comes down to three systems. Number one is the add plus the regeneration to get leads coming in. Then we have the AI lead qualifying to ensure that we are only getting high quality leads and having not to waste our time with price shoppers and people that are not interested in going roof. And also the appointment setting systems. That is the three systems that we built out for these roofers to ensure that we print them money on demand. So how do this system works and how can you create one similar to this? Now talking about the first one, the add plus the lead generation system. What we actually do, there are two ways to actually get leads. The first one is the AI marketing and the AI lead scrapping. Now talking about the AI marketing, the first thing we usually do is to create an AI UGC, that is a user generated content ad through Facebook, and we do that by following this process. We generate a script for the ad in ChatGPT. We just plug a simple prompts like this into ChatGPT. I'll not be able to read over everything on it. Then we plug this chart into ChatGPT. It spit out a particular and high value script for us. Then we just put this script into acats.ai. That's the AI lead making tool that we are using. Then we wait for it to generate a human like ad like this. Then once it generates this kind of art, we bring it out through Facebook. Then we run it on Facebook. Then when we run it on Facebook, we start to get leads coming in, and that is why we are able to get high quality leads, due to the fact that we are focusing more on the creative and ensuring that we are only speaking to homeowners that are ready to take action. And that is why we're able to get homeowners to give us the right information on our lead form. As you can see here, we are having information, detailed information from this homeowner. The depth of this information shows that these are homeowners that are ready to take action and ready to implement everything to replace their roof. So that is on the AI marketing side. Then the second system we have in place for getting lead is what we call the AI lead script. And what we do here is that we use ChatGPT and insert a simple prompt like this, something very simple. When we plug this into ChatGPT, then ChatGPT give us a list of zip codes and areas that we want to target for roof replacement. Then when we plug it into ChatGPT, the next thing would be for we take those zip codes and we put it into a batch lead. So this is a tool that we currently use in our own agencies to scrap and generate high quality informations of homeowners. Then when we do that, the next thing will be to explain to ChatGPT and search based on those things we need for qualified lead. For roofing, it could be based on the type of roof, the location of the homeowners, their zip code and all. So when we save it, then we export it and we download those information into a spreadsheet. Then we make a list of leads that look like this. So I just have to blur this, make a list of information that look like this. Then the next thing will be for us to, which is an optional stage, is to skip trace this address or verify them. And this is like the tool that we currently use to verify this information to ensure that we are only getting high quality roofing lead or roofing email list. Then the next thing we have to do is to ensure that we set up an AI system and we blast SMS to them about the roofing offer. Then the next thing is the AI lead qualifying, which is the second stage of the funnel. The AI lead qualifying. And how does this system work? It is one thing for you to be able to generate the lead. It is another thing for you to have a system in place to ensure that this lead are consistently nurtured to book appointment. Then the first thing we do here is we contact the lead via this AI caller. This is what we use for our agency. SyncFlow is an AI voice agent software that we use. Then what we do is that we program this AI caller for what you want to say to this lead and what your business is all about. So this is like a simple script prompts that we place into ChatGPT to generate a high quality script for us that we can plug and play into this SyncFlow system. Then once we get this script, then we plug this script into SyncFlow. When we plug this into SyncFlow, the next will be for us to import the lead list into Go High Level, because Go High Level is the CRM we are using right now. When we import this lead list into Go High Level, then this AI agent is being set up with Go High Level. Then we connect the SyncFlow agents through the AI KPI and model number that we have created. I know it's a bit technical right now, but you get the flow when it is right there. Then after that, we connect this AI agent to your specific workflow, because definitely there are different workflow and automation that will be set up in the funnel. We have the agents for database reactivation, for following up with past lead. We have the ones for following up for customer complaint, following up and replying. So we have different workflows, so we connect each agent to the specific workflow. Then after that, AI will automatically call the leads with the scripts that we have provided it to follow. Then that is how we ensure that we are getting qualified lead. Then the next step and the next stage of this funnel will be our AI appointment setting, which is the third stage of the funnel. And how do we ensure that we get this lead to book appointment? What we do here for AI appointment setting is to connect Go High Level through SyncFlow integration. We connect Glow and Go High Level. We make sure that they are both integrated together. Then when we connect them together, we connect the appropriate calendar that you want this lead to book on, and this AI caller will book directly this lead directly into your calendar. Your calendar could be something like this. Then we get this AI agent to follow up and nurture this lead until they book into your calendar. Then after that, we click on the agent, we click on action. During this, like a procedure on how you can connect this lead calendar in our software SyncFlow to ensure that this lead are booking. Now after booking this lead, what happened? What we usually do after this lead are booked, because we just have to ensure that we have a system in place to continually nurture this lead to ensure that they come on a call and we close them. So after booking, what we usually do is to make workflows that are specific for appointment reminders, follow up and review. And here, as you can see, we have different workflow in place, right? In Go High Level, we have the workflow 1, workflow 2, 3, 4, and at different stage of this lead, we have a particular workflow for each of them. We have the confirmation and reminder, we have the rebooking nurtures, we have everything set up here. Then after that, we make sure that each of these workflow is being triggered as book call. As you can see on this workflow tree, we ensure that it is triggered by book call. So once a lead book an appointment, immediately this workflow triggers and they get to start seeing the emails and SMS that are being set up for them. Then after that, we get to remind this prospect in any frequency and time limit that we want. We ensure that we keep it basic. As you can see here, we have different things that are being said. We have the SMS, we have the emails. You wait after 2 days, send SMS and series of emails. You can customize this to any form or length you want, but the major thing is just to keep it pretty simple. So after that, we ensure that these leads are being followed up with, and from this particular stage and system, three big things happen. Now the first thing that happens is that you have an increased show up rate, because you are sending them each series of emails and notification. You are creating more like an attention, and they are getting to see you everywhere, and you are not even chasing the lead, and it even makes you look more professional. And this is a system that we ensure and we usually deploy to roofers and local business out there to implement. And one fun thing is, all are being done automatically with AI. You don't even have to do this yourself. AI just save you the time of hiring, save you the time of following up, save you the time of having to like work in your business instead of just working on your business. So you have all these steps to build one for yourself and one for your business, and just by implementing this, you are making loads of extra cash completely on autopilot. And that is what roofers that are making millions are doing now, to take their business from a small bulk to making a large bulk through the implementation of AI. So if everything is still confusing and you don't know where to start, it's a very pretty and simple thing. There's a link directly in the description of this video. Just book a meeting right there with me. I'll be right there to like walk you through how you can do this. Me and my team will go in depth step by step on how you can implement this into your business ASAP. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose. So just click the link below and get access to this AI system that is working right now for roofing business. Yeah.